If you're having trouble charging your AirPods 4, you can try a few things. First, keep in mind what methods of charging your AirPods actually support. The AirPods 4 only support charging over USB-C. On the other hand, the AirPods 4 with Active Noise Cancellation support both USB-C charging and wireless charging. So if you're having trouble with one method of charging, you could always fall back on the other. If wired charging over USB-C isn't working, the first thing you should try doing is using a different cable and try connecting the cable to a different power source. I know what you're thinking, but this cable works with everything else. Trust me, it happens. Try another cable or switch the outlet. You might be surprised. It's happened to me before. Happens to everyone. If that doesn't work, check for any debris inside the AirPods charging port and see if you can remove it. Just like your old Game Boy cartridges, you might just need to give it a blow. By the way, if you do happen to have the AirPods 4 with Active Noise Cancellation, you can actually charge them using an Apple Watch charging cable or a MagSafe charging cable, though the AirPods won't magnetically snap on.